Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a free certification and course for the lead auditor ISO IEC 42001-2023. So unlock your big career with the breakthrough and get a free ISO IEC 42001-2023 lead auditor certification exam when you enroll in this exclusive course. So step into the world of AI governance and compliance with the most advanced and up-to-date ISO IEC 42001-2023 Lead Auditor Course, your gateway to become the globally recognized AI Governor Auditor. So with the 9 chapters are there. So what you will master on this? So ISO Foundation made easy, history, evolution, accreditation, how standard work. So next is the complete breakthrough of the ISO IC 42001-2023 coverage, terminology, structure and requirements, real world AI governance system implementation, that is the scope, risk and assessment, SOA, audits and management review. So audit planning and execution, Annex A, control explains simply, that is governance, life cycle, data control and stakeholder needs. So this is the step-by-step process. We'll go through that. And last, you will get the final lead auditor exam and your internationally recognized certification. This is the internationally recognized certification is there. So ISO 42001. So meet your expert structure. So there is these people will give you the instruction. So why this course is game changer? So AI is the transforming every industry, and the IEC 42001-2023 is the new global framework to responsible AI governance. So becoming a certified lead auditor puts you at the top there tier of the audit, compliance and governance professional worldwide. So perfect for the internal auditors, compliance manager, AI and IT governance lead, risk officers, consultant and external auditor explaining into the AI governance, and there is a professional seeking the certification and career advancement. So you have to complete the learning bundle. There is a 9 chapter is there and 40 video lectures are there. So you can go through the practice audit exercise and quizzes, free lead auditor certification exam. So go through this URL. So this is the official certificate upon passing. So open this one. So this is the first page. So AI is the complex, but its governance can be mastered. So self-placed certification course exam. So you can click the enroll. Before that, just curriculum is there. 9 chapters and 40 lessons are there. So you can expand all the chapters. Just see all are locked. So one by one, it will open when you will complete the previous one. So overview of the ISO 17021 and ISO 42006 and IFA mandatory docs. So audit teams roles, so these things are there. So at last, you will become the final exam is there. Exam preparation instruction, exam ISO IC 42001-2023 lead auditor, you will be there. So we'll go through the step by step process. Just click on the enroll. So you have to put your email address and first name, last name, then sign up. Then it will ask you the password and company name. Okay. So I already logged in. So I'm let me check with the login option. So here you can training course and certification exam for the ISO IC 42001-2023 lead auditor, and this is the free of cost, means zero. So now I'm going to sign up again. So welcome back. So I have to put my password. So click on continue. So after logged in, you will get this page. You can play this video and you complete one by one. All the courses are there and chapters are there. How many chapters in every? Total 8 chapters are there and 40 video lessons are there. 9 chapters in this 9 chapters are there. So complete all the things and last you will get this one. So prerequisites you not have been completed. So you have to complete the previous chapters, and then only you can come to this one. So in this video, we have learned how to get a free ISO IEC 42001-2023. There is a lead auditor certification is there. So step by step process we will go and we will just achieve this one. This is a enrollment URL. Enroll now. So disclaimer is there. All trademarks and logo and name belongs to their respective owners. So you can go through that. You can connect with the social link, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question to YouTube comments. I will reply personally. So don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.